All right. Well, we've got ourselves problem. We left off with nothing working, literally stone cold nothing, and we gotta fix that. We gotta fix that. We need things to work. Hey, Dustin, what's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? A hydrate? Oh, you making me turn this camera on? You wanna see my face? Is that what's up? What's up? How you doing? Got that nice fancy water. By fancy water, I mean regular water, because regular water is the fanciest of all waters. That's the truth. Flavored water is not fancy water. Such a cute face. Twitter. All right. You want love on V-Day? Well, then come watch me code and play. Oh, that sounds like a lame tweet. This is a bug in Unreal or just an Unreal bug? Come swing by and say hi. Now let's put a smiley face. Bug. An ant. And smile. Yeah, there we go. Bitches love ants and smiles. I have 20 notifications. What the hell did I do? Did I piss somebody off? Somebody retweet me? Am I in like one of those share posts? What's going on here? Putting girls to bed, stopping by quick to say hey. Well, I appreciate you coming in, man. I look forward to finishing up Demio. And we've got, like I said, I think you were there. I think you witnessed it. We ended with, like, nothing working. I'm probably going to give it, like, 30 minutes, maybe an hour tops. If we don't make any progress, we'll start doing something else, be it a different project or playing games or something. There's an anthill outside, if that counts. It always counts. All right, I gotta see what's going on with all these noties. Oh, wait, somebody did a circle or something? I don't know. I don't understand. There's like 50 of these things. What the hell's going on? Whatever, I don't care. Twitter's not real. It can't hurt me. All right. All right. Whoa, we're not going to there. We're going to desktop. So, last time we were messing with this, I can't launch it. Every time I launch it, it throws like an access violation error or some shit like that, and it just hard crashes everything. So we're gonna see if it still does that. I'm like holding out hope. I've got like a fantasy that there's nothing wrong and it's just gonna work. We'll have to see. The error message was something like an unauthorized access to the headset. If I remember right, that was the specific error message. So I'm hoping that like something stupid was happening, and that's the end of it. That's the end of the story. Just something dumb was messed up and it'll work now. It's a far shot. I know I'm really grasping at straws with that being my out. With that being my hope. But I mean, I really don't know what else to do. Whenever I was looking through stuff before, somebody said like you can get that error message if a blueprint is referencing a variable that no longer exists, but I don't have anything in my blueprints. They're blank. My blueprints are empty. And I see this BP character 3 was also me kind of like checking that. Oh, this is still on 3. Let's flip this back over to 2. Save all. While we're here, let's go ahead and open up Visual Studio before we crash it, just so we have access to this in an easy manner. Open full blueprints. Again, there's nothing in here. So, fingers crossed. Get lucky, and it just works. I really don't think it will. There's something to note that in the videos refactor, they didn't do near as much shit as I did. So, possible I broke something. Yeah, crashes. Damn. Hey, Alan, with your new house, I forget, what days are your free days now? We're just gonna close it because we need it to crash whenever I run it through the debugger. That way we can get more information on when it crashes. So we're gonna fire it up here instead of firing it up through the Epic launcher, and we're gonna see what happens here. Also, do I have any new messages on? Not. So we're gonna try to update. I created a forum post this morning, so there hasn't been too much time for it, and there's not a lot of info in here because I just slapped it together real quick. Like, we're gonna try to get this to be jam-packed with information so that there's like no way anybody can not know what the hell we're talking about, and hopefully we can come across some wizard who can solve this disaster for us. All right, so we hit the breakpoint on the set owner. It's not the set owner, right? It's the set hand that breaks. And at this point, we've got everything. I think everything's fine. Left controller is definitely set. Do I need to turn the controller on? Is that, oh my, what if that could be the oh my god. Nope. Oh, wait a second. This time I threw it down here. Unreal Editor, head-mounted display DLL, access violation, writing location, whatever the hell. Steam builds VR DLL, VR character begin play, line 69. That's the utmost. So it's the VR character that is crashing. Oh, well, that's where we're at. But yeah, this time it crashed over here. Not where it crashed before. So we went all the way through the left controller that time. This is promising. I think that maybe it was that the controller wasn't on. All right, so shut this down. Fire it back up. Check over here. Yeah, so we got the controller in here. This controller is not currently tracked. Make sure it's in view. Oh, that's the right hand, and it broke on the right hand. All right, everything's tracked, and we fire this off. Hit the breakpoint. Cool. Next. Make any sense? It looks like it's throwing the error here, but we didn't get to that line to code yet. Why it doesn't make any sense. But the right controller is null. Well, it's because it hasn't been made yet. We're just now making it. Like, this is the line 69 is the line that makes it. So that's why it's null. Alright, I'm gonna shut it down. I want to see what happens if we move this up. What happens if that's there? What happens now? Is it firing? What's happening here? Oh, it's building. All right. Building because we moved a thing. That makes sense. Yeah, I wonder if it's because we tried moving the teleportation in here. I'm still not sure if the teleportation should be on the character or if it should be on the hands. I feel like I can see it both ways. Like, the character is in charge of moving itself. I can see that. I can get that. I also like making, like, movement components, and, like, that way we can just, like, slap a teleportation movement component onto literally anything. So then we could have, like, we can make, like, a warp gate, and all we do is we put the teleportation thing on it, or we can put it onto a character, or we can put it onto a train. I don't know. You just put it on whatever the hell you want to teleport, and then it can teleport, right? Like, that makes sense to me. All right, so this time the right controller doesn't say null because we got through it up here. So it wasn't that. That wasn't the issue. All right, I'm still, even though I hit F10, which is supposed to move it to line 79, it was crashing and saying it was the next line. So I'm just gonna go into this, and we're gonna see what happens when we move in. So hand here is 0, 0. Set tracking source. Unreal editor head-mounted display.pdb is not loaded. Well, this is a new error message. This might crack the code. Just jumps in to say hi and good stream, my sexy bastard. How you doing, Gibbs? What's up? What's up? Hope you've had a good weekend, man. All right, we're gonna. Nothing much, just setting my thing for tonight. Ooh. You gonna have a special Valentine's Day? Huh? Huh? Are you gonna be a degenerate like us? Play games, mess around on the computer, things like that. Ha! Better. Ooh. And screenshots of the PGP. What the hell is this thing trying to tell me? Is it saying that we don't have symbols? Making any sense? All right, we're gonna take this to the real search engine. DuckDuckGo, you fail me. Google, come on, Google, you got me here, right? Come on, Google, trust in you. You're gonna hook me up, right? Right? You fucker. And I cure you with Stack Overflow going down. No! Don't you wish that bad juju on me, Ricky Bobby? Don't you do it. Alright, we're gonna replace this with UE4 head. Getting a little closer, I think. Alright. Alright, we're gonna start just slapping some images and everything in here. We got this bad boy. Those symbols loaded. I'm not sure what the hell that means. So I know that I'm suspecting this means I don't have something installed to actually process the error so that we can get any details out of it. That's what I'm guessing. But that's a wild guess. We get 2 images in this bad boy. All right, sweet, we can. All right, we're jam packing this. And I alone Valentine's stream, but then it's a happy stream because it's going to be a 21. Wait. Your birthday's tomorrow or tonight? Like, are you streaming? Like, are you 21 now? Are you 21 tomorrow? Are you 21 soon? You already know what's going down? I assumed everyone is like 30. Don't you think you look 30 when you look in the mirror, Mini Gaming Gibbs? Either way, congratulations. Happy birthday. Drink responsibly. Is Big Gaming Gibbs gonna be around to make sure that you don't that you don't drink responsibly? I feel like that's what older brothers do. No details when I click copy details. Whatever the error is, it's not actually telling. What if the error that? Are you mad? Oh god, I pissed it off. He's right next to me. It's also gonna be a horror game. I'm going to die. Well, now you're just trying to tempt me with a good time. Well, hello there, Big Gaming Gibbs. Never mind. Never mind. What is this nonsense? What the hell do you want from me? So I let ReSharper try to make this fancier, and I'm wondering if that didn't break it. Does this work here? IntelliSense is so bad with Unreal Engine. It takes its sweet time. Let's see here. I want to check. Called what do I need here? Install Unreal Engine debugging symbols. That's what I want. I think this is what I want. Getting editor. I made a post here asking about the error. Oh yes. Gonna be in here, and then we do like a drop down. Installed plugins? Question mark? No. Close. That's not what it is. Options, engine source, editor symbols for debugging. That's the issue. I don't have this. This is a 40 gig download. Good God. There's the problem. That's why we don't get to see what the hell's going on. All right. This will help out. I hope. All right, so we fired it up after removing the constant, so we took away the fancy stuff. Hopefully, taking away the fancy stuff makes it work. It did not. Naturally. Yeah, dude, I have no idea why that's so fucking big. That doesn't make any sense, right? Like, good God. I don't know why that's 38 gigs, but yeah, that's what it said. That's what it said. I wouldn't think it would be that big. I wouldn't think it'd be that massive. Wait, now it says only 4 gigs. 4 gigs is still big, but that's reasonable. That thing, I swear to God, it said 38. Yeah, it says it right here. That's for 426. So in my older version, I had it already, but on this newer version, I did not. Well, that's I was checking the 426 instead of 5.0. Yeah, but yeah. So each one of these, you have to get the debugging symbols for it individually. So like this one, it's only 27 gigs. It seems like each year or each version, it gets bigger. Yeah, each version it gets a little bit bigger. Damn. But then the download right here, it says it's updating and it's only 4 gigs, so that's not too shabby. Whenever they did the bait and switch, they were like, if we tell them it's gonna be 4 gigs, they're gonna be like, why is this 4 gigs? So we'll tell them it's 30 gigs, and then they'll be happy when it's only 4 gigs. And it worked out. It worked perfectly because I'm happy it's only 4 gigs. Is good Lord. All right, so, what the? Yo, where's my internet? Where's my browser? So this said, not that one. One of these. Phone not loaded exception. Access violation. Yeah, this is pretty much what I'm getting. It's not quite the same thing. It's a slightly different thing, but this is pretty much what I'm saying. Can you provide more details on what it is that you're doing? I actually just followed your guide for Unreal Engine. Where am I at? What website? What guide? We're on GitHub. From Valve Software, Steam Audio. Oh, man. Valve have a freaking Unreal Engine guide? That'd be sweet. I'd follow that. The game is 20. Maybe that's why games are all 50 plus gigs. They don't have 30 plus gig debugging symbols. Possibly. What's up, Dustin? What's up? You got the kiddos put to sleep. You tuck them in, sing them a lullaby. Did you know that the ABC song is to the same tune as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? They're in their rooms. Well, did you Twinkle Twinkle Little Star them? Beta 17, I really need to get off beta 18, maybe da-da-da, thanks for the feedback, yada yada, this is a bunch of bullshit, blah. Yeah, okay, you suck. Gotcha. Oh, damn it. So, we're getting some weird error. I am hoping that once we download this update, which is almost done, that we'll then get a different error that will actually tell me what in the hell is wrong, because I have no idea what is wrong. Something with, oh wait, we could try looking up. All right, yeah, let's try looking up this. All right, we got a lead. We got a lead, boys. All right, and hand actor set hand. BP hand controller not spawn. Ooh, all right. Check out this thing. There. It was more. No, you can't have a tablet. Proceeds to melt down. So now no tablet tomorrow as well. What a hard ass. Holy shit. How can you take away a tablet, you monster? You take away my computer and I'm gonna throw a tantrum. Hi, I have an issue with the motion controller act is not showing. The controller is working following previous lesson. Laser beam pointer teleporting okay. However, whenever I try to move the C++ hand controller using a child blueprint, it does not spawn. Not visible in the world outliner. 427, no compiling errors. Not sure if it's because the set hand function for left and right is problematic. In hand controller I have set hand. Over here we have this. That is exactly what I have. In the VR controller, we basically have the exact same thing. All right, everything's fine. But so what they're having is their hands aren't showing up. I bet you before we even read down through the rest of this, I bet you the problem is they aren't setting the class type on the character. I'm betting that's the problem with this. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep it moving. Many thanks. Thank you so much. I figured it out. It was my stupidity for not applying the hand controller inside of the character. Boom. I called it upon reading it. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I know. I actually know something. It's amazing. Alright, so that means this doesn't help me at all. It does help me in the sense that I get a check that I got the right shit. Do I need this to be in public? I don't think I needed it to be in public. Hand controller set hand, and then it's set tracking source hand, E controller hand. Yeah. I mean, I'll just copy it. Copy. Paste. Is there any difference here? It's the exact same. Alright, sweet. Good talk. Now, what's weird to me is this is grayed out. This shouldn't be grayed out. Oh, well, this one's grayed out. Alright, never mind. C++ just has a different... See, this one's not grayed out because these are being used. But this is grayed out. Is it not getting used? Hell, doesn't make any sense. Oh, maybe it's gray to indicate that it's not a constant and it can be changed. Yeah, that's what it is. No, because these are constant. No, these aren't. I'm speculating that's what it is. Is this damn download done? I want to see if this thing tells me why it breaks. All right, let's fire this bitch up. Come on, let's go. Tell me why it's breaking. Please. For the love of God, give me some sort of information other than it's broken, because I already knew that. They can't have them on school nights. You take my computer away on a school night? Oh my gosh. I don't want to call you daddy anymore. Nope. What is happening? Come on, build faster. Chippity chop. I'm a strict parent. I know. It's unbelievable. So strict. Making them actually go to sleep whenever they got things to do in the morning. Unbelievable. Stations. You know, I kind of like programming with rock. Love bug for the romantic people out there. I'm fighting a bug. Does that count? Ska. Synthwave. There we go. Not that song. Alright, no, we're not doing this. Trance, lasers, and more. Alright, we're going to lo-fi. Get this out of here. Alright, let's go. Tell me what's wrong, almighty computer! How the hell do you have access to dropping tiny URLs? Aren't you supposed to get, like, banned? Hey. Rickroll with another disguised link. Pfft, can't get me. Can't trick me. I know what the hell that is. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Eep, eep. Alright. New plugins are available. What plugins are available? we have the plugin that says why in the fuck things are breaking? Because that's the plugin I want. All right, let's go. Fire it up. All right, we're here. Next. What is wrong? Ooh, this is new. It's not breaking, but it's letting us. All right, this is new. If legacy motion source. Are we not doing the current motion source? What the fuck is happening? What is this? Why did it just like open up my computer? Open? File does not exist. Where are we looking? We're looking at the C documents? Why would we be looking there? What the fuck is going on? What? Just installed the debugging symbols for UE 5.0. I did not realize that I had to install those for each version. I thought you had them, you were good for any version. The actual error I am getting is how much of the stack trace do we need? Probably plenty. All right, now let's see if we can't figure this out. We got a new error. Feeling hopeful. Gotta go. Love you. See you later. Take care, Gibbs. Kick ass. Enjoy being 21. Enjoy it without getting sick. You know, I've never thrown up from drinking alcohol, and plan to keep it that way. Hopefully you can say the same. I know you have, Dustin. I have a picture of you throwing up in my toilet. All right. Input core types.gen.cpp not found. How am I missing an entire? How am I missing an entire fucking file? I've suddenly started getting the below error while trying to create a UE4 project and Scratch in 4.8. Well, this is old as dirt. 4.8's like 2013. I have a question for you. What version of Visual Studio are you running? Yada yada. Skip. Next. If I make a new project here. Are you? What do you know? Oh, it's a generated file. These are part of the intermediate folder and are generated when you generate the project files. They would not be present in GitHub and are on the GitHub. It sounds like a red herring, an error just saying something that shouldn't be focused. It's not saying that the generated file is missing for me though. Mine is the CPP itself. See, oh no, gen CPP, but theirs is saying .h. Mine's .cpp. Yeah, see, they're saying .h. They got slightly different. They're saying it's part of the intermediate folder, so I can possibly delete the intermediate folder and then have it regenerate it. We get the same issue, but see, again, theirs is .h, mine's .cpp. I'm gonna try to get my headset to work with UE5. Yes! I hope it works for you. Why wouldn't it? It should just fire up, yeah? Or do you particularly have a reason to think that it won't work? Exception thrown, right axis violation. Variables optimized away and not available. Oh! 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 What in the hell is this? Alright. This is something new. Variable is optimized away and is not available. Let's move this down so we can get that in the screenshot. It just keeps getting deeper. It did not before. Ah, that's weird. I wonder why it didn't. Well, whenever we stop making progress on this, we're gonna switch to something else. I mean, we're not getting it fixed. We are still finding things out. So in hand, where's in hand at? It's right here. Where is this coming from? Right here. E-controller hand. In hand. All right, so this is what's getting passed in. Legacy motions. What does it mean by legacy motion sources? This is proof of destruction of motion controllers while anonymous namespace. What? That's weird. Can I go back a level on this? Does it take me back? It does. All right. So I want to go to the character beginning point. All right, so we're right here. I don't know why it's showing that. This doesn't make any sense to me. Like, it says the air. This is the next statement to execute. Oh, I thought it was saying that was the line you're crashing on. Okay, so that's the next statement. All right, cool. That makes sense. So then we go into set hand. Set tracking source to new source. If legacy motion source. So that's saying yes, and it's going in here. Why is it? Oh, get source name for hand. Is that this? That is this. Okay, so that returns a true if it's legacy, I assume. All right, so we're passing in the source into here. Motion source, and it's saying that the variables have been optimized away and are no longer available. It's kind of whack. All right, I got an idea. This isn't necessarily an idea, it's just something to try. So that's not gonna work. All right, let's look up this set hand again. Set tracking source. Let's look up set tracking source and see what we can get. UE5 set source. Hoping that, because it's apparently saying it's deprecated. Well, it's not saying it's deprecated. It's not saying that. It's saying it's legacy. So I was hoping that somewhere on here would tell us what's not legacy, but this documentation's a little bare. It just says it should work. Damn it. Alright, let's make this member a constant again. Maybe that'll help keep it around. And can we check the... Probably make this const too. Auto? No. Undo that. That was not... Oh, what the shit is going on here? Save. Alright, it's no longer constant. Make function constant. Alright, it's constant. View action list. Alright, alt enter. What list do we got? We don't really have anything. Alright. Alright, it's back to being constant. Let's see if that keeps it from getting optimized away. A hand controller. Now, I know that U property will keep it from getting optimized away. That's why these things are all U properties, but these are like objects that we're trying to hold on to. Same thing with configurations. We don't want those to get dropped. This isn't either of those things. This is a method that we're calling, so it doesn't make any sense. Let's find out. Look around and find out. See what's up. See if we get anything new. Right, here we go. Step into it. Step into it. Into it. So we got new source here. Does new source have anything in it? Or is it already optimized away? I don't see shit. I don't see it at all. New source is right here. All right, it's here. It's left. All right, cool. So we still got it. It's not optimized away. We come into here. Handy num. Variable's been optimized away. Why? I guess we haven't got to it yet, so that's fine. Hand enum. Static enum, e-controller hand. Bro! Fuck. Why? Why are you crashing? It's crashing on this. Crashing right here. What is this link? GetIT01.com? What am I? What? It looks to me like there's a bug in fucking Unreal Engine. Yeah? Like, I don't think this is me. This thread I've posted has had 16 people check it out. Nobody's fixed it. Nobody's chimed in. Or maybe it's just every single time I load the page. That could be the case. All right. It's specifically crashing on. It didn't. Wait. What the hell? So it crashed on this line, right? That's highlighted, line 45, hand enum, static enum, yada yada yada. But in the screenshot I took, it crashed on line 51. So earlier it got a little further than it did this time. What's up with that? Oh, it's still running. It's not done. It's not down and out. What the fuck? It threw an error. All right, so if we got a hand, sure we do. All right, now in hand. Have you been optimized away? Variable has been optimized away. What? Why? I need you. I need you to not be optimized away. Is it? Did they forget to put an ampersand sign? Is that the problem? I want to lock this file. Now we're going to end this debugging session. I'm going to put an ampersand sign right here. Now we're going to compile this. Yeah. I don't give a fuck. Head mounted display. Sure, I'm updating you. Motion controller component already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yeah, let's do it. File is set to read only. Try again with a different file name. Nah, man, I want to change you. You're broken. You don't work. This might be a bug, honestly, in Unreal Engine, but that sounds like a cop out. It can't be. It's got to be with me. This has got to be a red herring. I've got to just be going like hard in the sauce. This can't be the problem. All right, don't save. Get that out of here. I can't make changes to it anyways. This is bullshit. I mean, I don't really. What if we did the right hand first? Should make absolutely zero difference, right? Let's try it. No. Breakpoint. All right. See if we can set it to the right hand. All right, well, searching that individual line got us some crazy results. So let's not look at that. What is this? Rip, release, begin play, tick. Somebody else's answer. B can climb, B is climbing. Climbing start location. All makes sense. Alright, well, I don't particularly care about whatever that person's doing. I mean, input core CP still seems like an issue. Alright, after this one, I imagine this isn't going to work. I mean, all I'm doing is changing the order. If this works, then that's wild. In hand hasn't been optimized away. It says it right here. And then we get this message. We hit continue. We wait because it's not continuing. And now it's optimized away. What the fuck? And then we try to use it and it didn't break upon using it. What the fuck? It's working now? It works for the right hand? No, it doesn't completely work for the right hand. Exception thrown, right access violation. Oh my god. Oh my god. God. What if I just need to launch Visual Studio in admin mode? What if that's it? Let's see. What do you think? Do you think this is gonna fix it? It is weird. It behaved a little different with the right hand. Fingers crossed. Come on. Predictions. Throw in your predictions. I think this has like a 20% chance of fixing it. It's saying it doesn't have access, right access. Maybe being in admin mode will give it right access. 20%er. I've had dumber things solve problems. This is interesting. What the hell's happening here? Is it crashing? Is my computer catching on fire? I don't want to set the world on fire. Huh? Alright. Working. Next. Weird error screen. So, see, it's looking for some. It's looking on D. Why is it looking on D? It's installed on the G drive. It's installed on the gravy drive, not the D drive. Browse and find this file. Do I just need to find this file? Is it just dumb? Is that the problem? I'm pretty sure it's on G. Wait. Engine intermediate. Build. Win64. Unreal Editor. Ink. Input core. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Dude, it's right there. Oh my fuck. Alright. I can't just navigate to it like that. I gotta bastard. G. 5. Build. No, intermediate. Fuck. No, don't crash. Breathe, damn it, breathe. We have to go from here. Editor, Unreal Editor, Ink, or DDFG in or no items. Input core types.gen CPP. Generated H. Not the same. No build folder here. Nothing here. Huh. I mean, this has got to be the problem. All right, next. Next, continue. Got to be the issue. All right, let's try deleting the intermediate folder. I think is the folder we can delete. I think I took a screenshot of the stuff that you can delete because never remember. Maybe not. Right copy. For the platforms. UE4, delete binary, intermediate. Yeah. And delete the intermediate folder. No, this should tell me the 3 things that you can delete. Yes, also binaries and saved are usually saved to delete. All right. I routinely delete everything but the source config content folder, including immediate, binaries, and individual plugin. All right, so we're gonna delete binaries, intermediate, binaries, and saved. Immediate, saved, binaries. Goodbye. Boom. Get it out of here. You'll need to provide administrator. Yes. Try it again. Oh, because Visual Studio is open. All right. Burn it. All right, all that shit's dead. We lit it on fire. Well, would you like to rebuild them? Yes, please do. All right, so now we're regenerating those files we just deleted, which is supposed to contain that file that we can't find, I think. Oh, I should have gone into this intermediate. Oh, maybe not. Unreal Editor, Ink, Dreambuilds VR. Development. We were looking for. No, it's not here. File we were looking for. They can figure out some issues step by step. First one was AirLink for wireless. Does not allow you to use the normal USB cable, so I had to turn that off. The what device do you have again? Do you have the Quest 2? Is that what you have? Or do you have something else? You only have cable link or wireless active, and yes, it's the Quest 2. So I heard that the Quest, you didn't have the Quest 2 when you were here, right? Because I wasn't out yet. You had something. Did you just have the original Quest whenever you were? You brought it here a long time ago, I think. Yeah, the first one, yeah. How are you liking the second one in comparison to the first one? Is it significantly better? Does it look a lot better? I'm interested in the screen quality. Oh my god, we're back to it crashing immediately. This is negative progress. Oh, never mind. It's just crashing immediately because we don't have the debugger running. All right, we're gonna wait for this to load. Oh, there it is. That was fast. Dude, this is VR character $6.99, and then that goes into motion controller component $2.15 and a motion controller component $51. This might legitimately be outside of my issues. This might not be me. Like, I'm so doubtful of that. I'm super doubtful that it's not me, because every single time I've ever thought it was Epic, it was always me, and I've thought it was Epic a few times. Well, that's not quite as good as what you initially said. I guess you're saying per eye, so that might be the full res. Wait, that's weird. Went in half. 16th, or it got bigger from whatever you had initially stated. All right, an error while attempting. Yeah, I know. It's read only. Yeah, I know. Show it to me. Show it to me, baby. Everything is not fucking working. This is awesome. Oh my god. Oh, good lord. Dude. Please. Please. Work. Oh, come on. Reload project. Operation failed to complete. Jesus Christ. Fuck. I also had to turn my timeout on inactivity on headset up from 15 seconds. Yeah, mine keeps turning off. But I haven't felt the need to turn it on. Yeah, we might be turning on the base VR template over here as well, because it looks like everything's fucking gone. What it looks like. We're about to throw a fit, what we're about to do. Maybe I just needed to right click and generate files. Need to borrow a hammer? Oh, dude. Need to borrow some fireball. That's water. Well, it was water. It's gone now. What is happening here? Are you loading? What is going on? My bottom lip is being destroyed by me gnawing on it right now. This is a very suspenseful moment of truth. Thank God. All right, we've got code back. Thank God. All right, now what the hell was I fucking looking at? This. All right, motion controller component 215 and then 51. Or yeah, 215 and then 51. So 51 is this. We know that's crashing. What's 215? 215 is where we're trying to set it. Yeah, so we call set tracking, pass it in the thing, and then it's going up there and dying for some fucking reason. All right, well, we rebuilt things. So let's fire it up again. And hope, fingers crossed, maybe? You ever bite your cheek and then keep biting it since it's all mangled and it starts to start with, and then it just keeps getting worse? I have bit my cheek, yes. I have had that mangled mess, yes, but I'm not like, oh well, it's already screwed, might as well. But that's kind of what it sounds like. You're doing. You're like, oh, in for a pin, in for a bite, in for an entire missing cheek hole. All right, VR preview. Come on. It just says we need to find if we want to view the code. I don't care. It's finding something. See, it's getting the controller back, so that's not a problem. The problem that I have is this in hand is being optimized away. That's a problem because we need it right now. We need it for this. I think. No, maybe we don't. All right, no, we don't. That's fine. All right, so we got a value name. It's right. Right's the value name. All right, now we're gonna need to set it to this outsource name. This outsource name is a constant, right? No, that just means memory. It doesn't have the word constant on it. All right, so we're putting a pointer string into an F name. It seems like it should work. I mean, make the string an F name. Yeah. Length is greater than name size. Nope, definitely is not that. Get name pool. Oh my God, this is so complicated. Such a simple task. We're still going. What is this? What is it asking me to find? Find source AMD sex. What? The fuck is this? Screenshot. I don't even know what line of code we're on over here. There's a bigger screenshot. I want more info. I just hit open. Doesn't exist. All right. Carry on. That's fine. Oh yeah. You're just saying you can't find the thing to show me. Yeah, that's cool. I don't need it. I don't need to see it. I don't need to see everything. That's fine. That's fine. Is it going? Is it not going? Is it crashing? What's happening here? Talk to me, computer. Talk to me. Security check cookie. Continue? What's happening? I hit continue like 10 times. Is there a pop-up? Am I supposed to click on something? What's going on? What's going on? Ooh. GeForce Experience. Do I need to update my graphics card? Like, cause that was saying AMD, right? Like, driver. No, not uninstall drivers. Good God. Gonna flip it over to here. AMD driver. Driver updater. Driver manager. What the hell is? What am I looking for? Vice manager, check for updates. GeForce experiences. You have NVIDIA. Why is it looking for AMD? AMD is my CPU. processor. Right click, properties. No, there's no Git updates in the device manager on this thing. I mean, I can't imagine why my CPU would have an update, but heard of wilder things. All right. All right, so I'm going to update my graphics card. I assume I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Do it. Update came out today. It's going to break OBS probably. We'll find out together. I don't know what in the fuck is wrong with this. All right. Through the power of friendship. Next thing I'm going to do is make a new project in 426. Copy this code over and see if it breaks. Maybe it's 427. All right, his download's almost done. Pairing the package. Express installation. I think we're here. I think it's working. We're alive. It's still preparing to install. Oh, we're getting a little laggy. Dude. Installing? It's installing? We're here? It's not on fire? So are you still compiling your project? I'm gonna be mad if my compile fails. It's probably taking a long time for the first time because it's building lighting and everything. Yeah, 500 shaders. Yeah, it's building lighting. Yeah, you must have grabbed a fancy map, or are you using like the default map and it's still taking forever? Well, I guess the default map may be fancy in 5. I don't know. I don't know what the default map in 5 looks like. The default map in 4 is just that like blank room. Just a big ass empty room. Right. It's looking like this might be a bust. I can't believe how long it's taken to install this. It's taking forever. Maybe installing a graphics driver while streaming was a terrible idea. Maybe it can't.